Hey, I'm in Philly, and this is my fabulous Air B&B host, Colby.
Hello.
And he's gonna help us unbox the awesome glowing mushroomness that is inside of here. Can you turn the box, please? See that's what it lights on and lights off. Ooh, all right, so which one do you think we're gonna get? Do you have any guesses?
I don't even know the names of any of them.
It's all in Japanese, and I don't know it either.
Is it a surprise?
It is a surprise because you could get any one of the featured mushrooms on the side of the box there. This looks like some brackets, maybe some Mycena. I don't know.
I hope we get.
They're probably all Mycena because brackets don't glow in the dark, so they're probably mushrooms that actually glow in the dark in real life. And that would be the glowing illustration counterpart. Later on, I can read the Japanese, but it'll take me a while to sound it out. So if I can read it, I will post it in the notes. All right, are we ready? You ready, Colby?
I'm ready.
Let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside. You just manhandle it. I wrecked the other two. Just do it, rage.
Wow.
Ooh, that is very cool. Does it have like a little string, or is it just like cool mushroominess? The other two had like a keychain or whatever.
This is a magnet.
A magnet! Oh my god! Let's charge it up, and then later on,
Doesn't fit.
we can take it into a dark room and see what it looks like when it glows. So we'll come back when it's all charged up. Here's a demonstration of what it looks like in action. It's got this is Colby's fridge. It's got a little magnet on the bottom here. And bam, it's growing right out of your refrigerator. Sweet.